राधे राधे, राम राम जी, चकाचक, जय हो, राधे राधे. So today we are going to visit Shivaji Mandir, Shivji Mandir. This is called the Asiswar Mahadev Mandir. So tomorrow is Shivaratri, Mahashivaratri, the night of Shivji. So tomorrow is the celebration of the union of Shivji and Parvatiji. It is also called the darkest night. That's why it's called Mahashivaratri. Ratri means night. So this is the place. So we are here in Asiswar Mahadev Temple. Asiswar Temple Mandir. So this is the place where Shivji, after he was refused or denied by Mother Yashoda to have a glimpse of baby Gopal because of his fearsome look. So Yashoda Maya, she was afraid that Krishna would be scared if baby Gopal would see him. So Shivji, he was upset and disappointed. So from the hill, look at this hill, that is the house of Nanda Baba and Yashoda Maya. On the top of the hill, you can see at the far distance, that is where Nanda Baba or the palace of Nanda Maharaj. So Shivji came in this place after the refusal, and this is where Shivji meditated, and he desired to have the darshan of baby Gopal or baby Krishna. That is why it's called Asiswar. As means like a desire or hope. So it was named Asiswar Mahadev. This is where Shivji desired to have a darshan of Sri Krishna Ji. Okay, so let us see. This is a very old temple. So I come here today because tomorrow there will be a big crowd. Tomorrow is a big celebration, Shivratri. So to avoid the crowd, I had to trick them. So I come the day before. So we will have darshan of the temple. So I walk from that top of the hill up to here. So it's about 3-4 kilometers only. It's just a short distance. So still there are a lot of people coming over here. So tomorrow is like a holiday in India, because tomorrow is the day of Shivji. So the Ram ji, chakachak. So we have here the vendors of sugar cane juice. They are preparing for a big event tomorrow. So this is the temple of Shivji. See, the pilgrims, they are renting a traveler to bring them around Braj. This is the ideal vehicle. Radhe Radhe, Ram Ram ji, chak. बहुत बढ़िया. Bam bam bole. Jayo. Bam bole. Ram ji, chak. Sugar cane. There you go. राम राम जी, राधे राधे, राधे राधे जी। जय हो जय हो। राधे 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 राधे। जय बोले बाबा बम बम बोले। राधे राधे बाबा जी। चकाचक चकाचक। जय हो जय हो जय हो। जय बम बम बोले बम बम बोले। शिव जी की जय हो। जय जय हो जय हो। बम बम बोले बम बम बोले। जय पानी है, पानी दो। अभिषेक जय। We will have darshan Abhishek शिव जी। जय हो जय हो जय हो शिव जी। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय। जय हो जय हो जय हो। अभी ना आपके दर्शन
अवतारम संसार सारम।
राधे राधे। राधे राधे Radhe Radhe Baba. Chakachak. Jai ho, Jai ho, Jai ho. Radhe 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 Radhe. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chakachak, chakachak. So this is the Asishwar Kund. This is the spot where Lord Shivji or Shivji desired or hoped to have a darshan of Sri Krishna. This is where he meditated for some time. So let's continue with the story. So after when Shivji was refused or denied by Yashoda Maiya to have a darshan of baby Gopal or baby Krishna, Shivji came here and started meditating. So the moment he left the house or the palace of Nanda Maharaj, Krishna started to cry. He cried so loud, no? So they tried to, Yashoda Maiya tried to pacify him. She did all the tricks how to stop Krishna from crying, but she failed. And even the other gopis came to help her, but they all failed. Then finally they remember that one yogi came over at their house. So they searched for that yogi. So after searching around, they found Shivji here in this kund, meditating. So they invited Shivaji to come back to the house of Yashoda Maiya. So when Shivji arrived at the palace of Nanda Maharaj, so finally he got darshan of baby Gopal Krishna. Then Shivji, so this is another twist of the story, which you can only hear here in Braj. So Shivji chanted the name of Radha. So Krishna was crying, and he cried louder and louder. Huh? So they don't know why. So they thought that Shivji could stop him. But instead, Krishna cried louder and louder. So actually, Shivji realized that the crying of Krishna is like the crying of separation. He wanted to be reunited with Radha, with the Radharani. Then Yashoda Maiya asked Shivji to bless his son. So she was thinking that it might help to stop the baby Krishna from crying. So Shivji, he placed his hand over the head of baby Gopal or baby Krishna, and baby Gopal stopped crying after Shivji put his hand over the head of Krishna ji. Then after that, Shivji started reciting or singing a song which is dedicated to Radha, to the Radharani, and Sri Krishna was so happy. Baby Gopal was so happy. So that was the story. And since then, Yashoda Maiya, she requested Shivji to stay here and live here in Braj, especially here in Nandagaon. Huh? So Shivji, he has a special place in the heart of the Vaishnavas or devotees of Krishna, especially here in Vrindavan or in Braj, because Shivji is the guardian. Huh? Krishna ji, he personally requested or assigned Shivji to be the guardian of the dam, of the Braja Dam. So in the all four corners or directions of Braj, Shivaji is guarding, it's like a security guard. So he has his different temples around the four directions of Braj. So they said that if you want to enter in Vrindavan, you have first to ask permission from Shivji. So that is the position of Shivaji. Okay. Jai Jai Shri Radhe. We will come back again later. Jai Ho, Radhe Radhe.
Vrindavan hum jayenge. Vrindavan
Radhe Radhe. Jai Ho,
की गलियों में हो
that's what Radhe Radhe.
राधे राधे जाएंगे राधे 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 राधे